Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a college vlog, as you can tell from the title. I just wanted to do like a short intro clip just because this vlog is like a mess. It's super choppy. I don't really have any transitions and it's from like the past like 2 months. But yeah, if you guys enjoy the vlog, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Worst year of my life. I fucking hate my roommate! Roommate horror story! My roommate is the grossest, dumbest, stupid bitch ever!
It's starting.
Someone just doesn't like bathrooms.
No, I haven't been able to poop for days. Of course
I also haven't pooped.
Ew, too much.
Bruh.
Yeah, you should go like this.
Didn't think to mention.
Hey guys, it's me, Sums. This is for decoration.
Oh, yeah, I did think. Well, I mean.
I want the vlog to
Wait,
be
are you
just.
a vlogger?
No. Hi guys, so I just finished filming like the first video I filmed in literally 4 months, and I just want to show you guys my setup because it's just really professional, and I think I'm a great YouTuber. So here we have me and Grace's side of the room. This is my backdrop, so I literally have a balance between these two beds, and like it fucking works, okay? Because when I put it just here, like vertically, you could see the bed posts in it. I'm wearing Fenty's Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade Single, and I haven't worn it in a while, and then I paired it with my why do I look so pale? Wow. I paired it with Bite Beauty's what's it called? Chai, with their chai lipstick, and it looks so good, and I love this lip color, so I mixed those two together. I'm gonna go put this back in my desk. This is literally so inconvenient. I'm so sorry to my roommates, but it's okay. I give them PR in exchange for this inconvenience. Also, they knew what they were signing up for, okay? So I want to do weekly college vlogs, but here's the thing. It's not very exciting. Like, I really don't think I live like an exciting life, but a lot of people want vlogs, so that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, I think this weekend I'm gonna try to plan something with my friends so we can all go out together. But for the rest of today, I'm going to go to, I should get lunch actually. I haven't eaten today. I have one more class today at 4:30 to 5:40. It's financial accounting, so it's super exciting. But my professor is literally a nut. He's so weird, but he's really funny, so.
Why'd you do that to me? I'm listening to a true crime podcast about murder.
Oh my god. Do you see my Instagram story?
No. What did you do with it?
I put this on top of our beds, and I bounced it against the ceiling.
Oh my god. Wait, like hot dog style or hamburger style?
Like hot dog style. It's Saturday night, and we're gonna dye my hair dark brown or like almost blackish, just because I experienced a minor inconvenience and I want to just fuck with my hair. So Salma's gonna help me. She's watching a tutorial on how to dye hair right now, so I want to just go back to like a dark brown because my hair is so like light right now. So I just want to get rid of all the gross brassy tones and then just have dark hair because I think I look better in dark hair. But yeah, we're gonna do that and then watch You on Netflix because
we like trash.
We like trash. It's okay, I don't not like it, but I don't like it either, so it's just like I just want to know what happened, but also I can't take it seriously because I can only see Dan Humphrey. Like
and the girl from Pretty Little Liars.
Yeah. Oh, Shay Mitchell. Oh, she's so hot. So that's my Saturday night. The Halo Top package came, so I'm gonna open it and then put it in the fridge, and then we're probably gonna try it out after dinner because my friend has a club meeting. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I literally sprinted from my last accounting class to the mailroom for this package. Oh my god, my arms are like shaking. They literally feel so fucking dead. I like can't hold the scissors still. This is how many they sent. There's candy bar, chocolate chip cookie dough, cookies and cream, peanut butter cup, red velvet, sea salt caramel, birthday cake, ice cream, mint chip, vanilla bean. I don't think my fridge is like big enough for this. I love Halo Top, but I've only tried like 3 of their flavors before, so I'm super excited. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm so sweaty, oh my god. Okay, so it's Friday night and this is what we're doing. So tomorrow we're going to the Women's March, so we're having Grace we're having Grace make all of our posters.
and me and Joyce are doing nothing.
Back to my channel. This is the surviving on Halo Top ice cream for a week.
We have 9 pints and this is all we're gonna eat.
This is we are girl cotting this presidency challenge. This is the
This is
find a vacuum
following
that we
Michelle
can-
Obama's like eating routine.
Did you learn about that in Becoming?
Yeah.
I want to read it.
This is teaching my roommate who's illiterate how to read challenge. Joyce is illiterate.
I'm obsessed.
It's so
You
cute.
one-upped me. Guys, in the comments below,
I fucking hate you.
Guys, in the comments below, talk about how Selma and Joyce are poor bitches because I got that Vera Bradley lanyard for my fucking Subaru.
I don't even have a lanyard on mine.
The hierarchy is unfolding.
Earlier, the guys who live above us, they're always like super loud, and so we complain a lot. But then earlier today, it literally sounded like they were like body slamming into the floor, like just jumping off the bed and like slamming, like they're just horizontally into the ground. And this was why. So I texted him.
Alright guys, for the next one, we're going to be doing a lunging jump.
Who is that?
That's Zeke. That's their other like third roommate.
Oh. Oh, he's literally just doing like lunge jumps.
He does it for a full minute, which is actually really impressive. Like,
Yeah, that's so hard.
Really
Make
hard.
us do that core power, just like putting
Yeah.
my D.
No, yeah. When they're like pulsed for like 2 seconds, I'm like.
My toes are shaking.
So this is all the flavors they sent us. We're gonna try them and review them. I'm literally in my pajamas. It's Friday night and
Oh, it tastes like peanut butter.
time to take birth control. Oh, shut up.
Tastes nummy.
Wait, is that your first sugar in a while?
Sugar.
Yeah, I've been trying to like eat less sugar because I actually, last semester I was at the point where I was addicted to sugar. I was eating like 5 cookies a day from the tiny girl, so it's fine. I'm too shy.
Oh no, don't do that to me.
Let's just cover the whole thing with it.
Why is my forehead is so fucking shiny?
This is my hand. My hand.
She knew. She was like, just asking me for advice.
Is it good?
This is so,
ass
wait,
spoon for
this is so good.
Knee.
That was her foot.
No, my knee. I popped it out of the socket.
Oh.
Put it back in.
No, I did it like.
Put it in. Put it back in.
This is so good.
I love this.
Wait,
Oh wait, no, I don't like this one. Wait, birthday cake?
birthday cake's really good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Why are you watching this? Have you seen that Vine where the 4-year-old's watching gay porn and her sister?
Yes! Yes!
The girl's fucking bawling her eyes out. Please don't tell mom. Joyce, what are some common questions you get or misconceptions people have about you?
I don't know.
Clear the air. Do people think that
Joyce's hair is not naturally brown, yes.
Joyce actually doesn't exist?
Do you guys follow Michaela?
Yeah, it's fucking creepy.
Who's Michaela?
She's like entirely human gender.
I've heard of her. She was in
Oh,
the
yeah,
Shane
yeah.
Dawson conspiracy theory.
Yeah, well, I feel bad because
This is good too.
What is that one?
she's a queen, but the people who made her are creepy. Like,
That freaks
This
me
is
out.
really good.
What?
am I real?
No.
Wait, what's the difference?
What do you mean?
Oh, that's Cookie J.
Oh,
my
the
God.
accent comes out.
Okay, are you okay with this? Just sitting here?
Yeah, it's like most of my life.
T.
What is like being vegan? No one likes you. You can't eat
That's
anything
it.
besides like fries
That
usually.
sounds-
Wait, my mom put butter in a dish to test if
You
my
told me
stomach would
that.
hurt. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm putting you on blast.
Story time. My roommate dropped ice cream on my pants. Not clickbait.
Was that me?
No, it was me to myself. But if you think about it, I'm my own roommate too.
Okay, and on that note, thank you Halo Top for sending us all these ice creams.
I'm like invested in this because I like it.
Do you want to be my vlog?
Hey, well,
Have
it's me on the.
Oh my God.
Welcome to my room.
Are you doing a dorm tour?
Yeah, if you want to. But we have to be quick because I have a bus to catch. This is yours.
Oh my god.
Isn't it beautiful? Isn't
Oh my
it
god, it looks like his
fucking
hat. I love it.
Right? Right?
It's so cute.
It wasn't the Seoul Olympics, but I mean, I don't have to do it. You know?
Oh my god, I love it. What the fuck? Aww, aww. Is this your packing situation?
Yeah. 4 jackets so far.
You can... I'm sweating.
Doesn't matter, does it?
It does not do 4K.
Whoa.
But the stabilization, like pick it up and like shake it. It's so stable. Like it's really good at like internal stabilizing. There's a Sony version of this, like a... Okay.
Dude, That's kind of crazy. I mean, what about the Sony? I'm dizzy. What about the Sony?
Sony one's like, it's really shaky. All of these have like skin blurring filters that you can't get rid of, which is annoying.
That one does?
Yeah.
So like my skin looks better than normal on that? Because it looks kind of shit on that.
No, it's
whatever.
They smooth it out. Hello, oh my god. We are going to eat some lunch. I fucking hate Steezed. Okay, we're in the dining hall. There's no one here, so I'm gonna film because otherwise it'd be really fucking weird. What?
You know what videos to make?
Make a mukbang. Okay, so you guys always ask me what I eat in a day, so I just want to show you.
Ooh. Don't show them that.
It's literally rice and beans. I don't know what the fuck that is.
It's called chicken cordon bleu.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Chicken cordon bleu. Yeah, I watch Food Network.
And then we have honeydew. Apparently you're not supposed to eat honeydew right now because the government shut down. So there's no FDA like looking through the honeydew.
Isn't that true for everything though?
I feel like they said honeydew because it's like high risk.
Honeydew is high risk.
For like E. coli or something. I don't know.
Interesting. You know, fuck it, you know? You know what?
Tobias, do you want to be on my vlog?
Yeah, sure. Hi, my name's Toby, and I'm eating food.
And sometimes we call him Tobias.
And sometimes people call me Tobias because that's my actual name. I always get way too much ketchup for the amount of fries that I select.
And then I'm left with excess ketchup. What do you do with it?
I mean, I compost it. What else am I gonna do?
Big economy man. Ecological man.
Economical?
Big economy man.
Both. How about
Big
both?
economy man.
Good morning guys. So today's Saturday and it's the day of the Boston Women's March, so I'm on my way right now to go meet Grace and Salma, and then we're gonna take the train to go to the actual march. So yeah, I'm really excited because the last time I went was like in DC when Trump was inaugurated, because we thought someone else was gonna be inaugurated, so my school went on a trip, but that was like the most incredible experience. There were so many fucking people, so I'm super excited for today and I'm bringing you guys with me. Alright, we're at the tea stop. My nose is running. We're here at the Women's March. We're here. Except we're not marching for like another hour. Ooh, who is she? We're all these So apparently it's not a march.
It's okay, we're still rallying.
The bourgeoisie?
Gotta go.
That word? Yeah.
Even prouder later that day or whatever.
We're in Starbucks because it's cold. Vlog update. It's cold.
Wait to be in this
I was just bored.
We're in the dining hall.
Should I just
fucking windy. I'm walking to Trader Joe's right now to buy cards and flowers for Grace, Salma, Steph, Mike, and Katie because it's Valentine's Day and I want to just get them like fruit, but also like cards and flowers because I think it's cute. And also I'm procrastinating studying for my accounting midterm because I don't want to study for it, but I do have to take it in like 3 hours, so that's where that's going. Alright, I just got out of Trader Joe's. I got 3 bouquets. You can't see the third one for Katie, but they're yellow roses. And then I ended up just getting food for Salma because I figured she'd like it more than flowers. Okay, so I just finished writing the letters. I'm gonna go put these on their desks. And then I also got these Sugarfina cubes the other day at the mall and I thought they were so fucking cute. I'm gonna go put these on their desks and I hope they like them. Happy Valentine's Day! Oh, that's so
Oh, the apples. Wait, this is so cute. I'm holding my computer.